Okay, so today I created an automation in which I'm like generating a video out of my cloned audios, which I had generated previously in my previous automations, and then I created first like I tweaked that automation in which I was generating YouTube thumbnails to uh, let it make different YouTube images in a bundle. Like if I have a script and there are like around 16 chapters and then an intro and outro as well, so if we sum them up there are 18 items. So I have created an automation in which I'm getting those 18 images and 18 audios as well, and at the end I'm like gathering them and fetching them using this script in Google Colab. And why I'm using Google Colab, because if I have to like render those videos on my personal CPU, that will gonna take a lot and even gonna like freeze my system as well, because the processing power which is needed for rendering videos is a lot more than the capacity of this PC. So that's why I used this T4 GPU by Google Colab, and it's for free, so that's a plus here. And what I did is that I gathered those images and then the clone voices and attached them using this FFmpeg function, which is used for like sort of video editing, we can say that. But like if we need a little bit of video editing, like tweaks of video editing, then we can use this software specifically. I like attaching different videos, attaching audios and all that stuff. And there are like different versions of videos which I created. Here is first of all one static one.
Chapter 1. The Uncharted Current. The year was 1908.
So that was the one video in which I was like just merging the picture and the image and the audio, and it was static one, and there is a cinematic one as well.
Chapter 1. The Uncharted Current. The year was 1908.
Okay, so this was the cinematic one, which has a little bit of tilting and all that stuff, like a little bit of zoom in. And at the end what it does is that first of all it will gonna generate audios and videos, and then it will gonna like attach them. Like if there is an intro image and intro audio, it will gonna attach them together, and to till outro it will gonna do the same. And at the end it will gonna like merge all those videos together in this sort of function. Like here is that final with the title and all
Welcome
that.
back to the Lostwell Chronicle. Today, we journey